भाई आप बुरा मत मानिए प्लीज, डोंट गेट अपसेट सर. सर रुपीज 125.85 करोड़ ऑन वन डे देयर वेजेस ऑफ रुपीज 500 सर, और उसका डेली वेजेस 500 रुपये है साहब. उसका उन्हें जाके काम करता, वो डेली वेजेस पे भी नहीं गया. उन्हें नहीं भाई सिलेंडर मिल रहा, नहीं भाई 5 गारंटी मिल रही, नहीं भाई ये मिल रहा. सब लाइन में ठहरे हुए, चिलचिलाती धूप है. मुझे वैसी दिख रहा था, मिस्टर मोदी का डिमोनेटाइजेशन भी है वैसी दिखा, और ये आपकी गारंटी की दरखास्तें भी वैसी दिखी कि धूप में खड़े हैं, दरखास्त दे रहा है गरीब उम्मीद में. मुझे दिखा वैसा. देखिए प्लीज सर, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, वी हैव टू बी टॉलरेंट सर, वी हैव टू हैव पेशेंस सर, वी कैनॉट बी सो इनटॉलरेंट. प्लीज टू अंडरस्टैंड सर, ट्रेजरी बेंचेस शुड नॉट फील बैड सर अबाउट इट. सर मैं अच्छी बात कर रहा हूं, गलत बात क्या कर रहा हूं? मैं मोदी साहब को भी तनकीद कर रहा हूं और मोदी साहब की वो बात को भी याद कर रहा हूं कि मोदी साहब किस तरीके से डिमोनेटाइजेशन के नाम पे लोगों को लाइन में खड़ा दिए थे, लोग गिर रहे थे, पढ़ रहे थे, और वो डिमोनेटाइजेशन ही वजह थी जो हमारे मुल्क की इकोनॉमी तबाह हुई. और आज गरीब आपके भी 5 गारंटीज के उम्मीद में, तवक्को में मजदूरी को नहीं गया, अपने एक दिन की तनख्वाह काटा, जेब से पैसे निकाल कर 1,25,00,000 दरखास्तें दिया है. जरा हमदर्दी के साथ इनका काम करिए. इतना ही कह रहा हूं, यही कह रहा हूं सर. और सर व्हेन सर, अब जैसा ये लोग गुस्से में आ रहे हैं, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, गवर्नमेंट वाले गुस्से में आ रहे, मैं ऐसा बोला सर. आई रिमेंबर सर देन व्हेन आई स्पोक ऑन डिमोनेटाइजेशन, उस वक्त भी ये लोग गुस्से में आए थे. आई वॉज द ओनली पर्सन हु स्टूड एंड सेड के आई अपोज द डिमोनेटाइजेशन. तो आई रिमेंबर केसीआर साहब उठ के बोले, अकबर साहब वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए, अकबर साहब आपके जुमले गलत है, डिमोनेटाइजेशन अच्छा है, ऐसा बोले केसीआर साहब. मुझे याद है आज वो भी. और और सर अ डे बिफोर वी वर हैविंग अ डिस्कशन ऑन द फाइनेंसेस सर, उस वक्त भी सर one can take out the records and check and say sir, I had mentioned, I was the one person who stood in the house of Telangana Assembly and said the government of India is not giving us a due share. Then also the then chief minister KCR साहब उठे और बोले मुझे, अकबर साहब आप बेफिक्र रहिए, एक भी पैसा हमारा नहीं जाएगा. और फिर 1-2 साल के बाद वही केसीआर साहब बोले गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया पैसे नहीं दे रही. अब उस पर फिर यही बात हो रही है. इसलिए मैं कहता हूं सर, देखिए साहब, इसलिए मैं कहता हूं, हम बोलते रहे सर, I was the one person who opposed the demonetization. I was the one person who said GST sir, devolution funds, हमारे स्टेट का शेयर नहीं आ रहा है. तो then केसीआर साहब उठकर बोले नो वी आर गेटिंग ऑल द शेयर. आई सेड वी आर नॉट गेटिंग, आई चैलेंज इट. बोले श्रीधर बाबू साहब भी थे, भट्टी साहब भी थे, यू विटनेस टू इट सर, एंड जाना रेड्डी साहब आल्सो सपोर्टेड मी देन, बट नोबडी हैड लिसन. तो हमारी तो खैर किस्मत है साहब, हम यहां ठहरते हैं तो हर वक्त हमको वहां से भी लोग गुस्से में बहुत आते हैं, आंख पे गिरते हैं. कोई भी कुछ कर ले, हम हक बयान करते रहेंगे, इज़ारे हक से कभी मुंह नहीं मोड़ेंगे. जो हक है, जो सही है, वो बोलते रहेंगे, और तेलंगाना की मफाद में जो सही है वो बात हम करते रहेंगे. कोई हमारी बात को माने या ना माने, हम हक बोलते रहेंगे और जो बात सही है वो कहते रहेंगे. सर आफ्टर सर वी वुड लाइक sir, under Runa Mafi farm loan waiver scheme, so the government has disbursed rupees 6,035 crores to even 11,34,000 farmers sir, towards waiver of loan up to 1 lakh. The remaining loans of rupees 2 lakh will be waived off soon sir. Sir, the funds for farm loan waiver, the formulating strict guidelines to exclude big farmers are estimated at rupees 31,000 crores sir. The finance ministers have assured that Raitu Bharosa installments will be released to the real farmers after the cabinet subcommittee constituted for the purpose, frames and guidelines and implementation of the revised scheme after excluding all the big farmers and other ineligible categories. Sir, I just remembered, sir, which important point which I had skipped, sir. Sir, about the application received, sir. Sir, I was hearing in the council, Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy had given a reply to a question. Civil Supplies Minister, Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy Saab, told that the council, while answering a question a few days ago, that the cabinet subcommittee is being formed to formulate the rules and format for the issue of new ration cards. Sir, आप हर एक चीज राशन कार्ड से कर दिए, चाहे किसानों के खर्च की माफी हो राशन कार्ड, गैस सिलेंडर होने दो राशन कार्ड से, हर एक चीज को राशन कार्ड से। तो राशन कार्ड बहुत सारे लोगों के पास नहीं है। सारे के सारे जितने भी एप्लीकेशंस आए हैं वो राशन कार्ड के आए हैं। इस हुकूमत से हम बार बार कहते रहे, साबिका हुकूमत से, उन्होंने इस बात पे तवज्जो नहीं दी, जिसका नतीजा कि वहां से यहां आना पड़ा। मैं आपसे कहूंगा कि राशन कार्ड एक बहुत बड़ा मसला है, इस मसले को हल करिए। इट इज ऑल्सो स्टेटेड दैट all the government schemes for the beneficiary will be dealing from the white ration card, sir. Sir, I would like the government to clarify on this, sir. White ration card से dealing करेंगे बोल रहे हैं, please आप इसको clarify करिए, sir. Sir, Bhatti Saab has earmarked rupees 31,277 crores for farmers, including rupees 11,395 crores for farmers and tenant farmers, and rupees 905 crores for agricultural labor under Raitu Bharosa, rupees 1,358 crores for payment of bonus of rupees 500 per quintal on procurement of 33 varieties of paddy, rupees 15,470 crores of farm debt waivers, and rupees 1,168 crores for Raitu Bima, and rupees 981 crores for crop insurance, excluding the allocation, excluding the allocation under SC, ST, SDF. The allocation in 2023-24 includes rupees 11,629 for Raitu Bandhu, rupees 76 crores for bonus and paddy, and rupees 1,169 for Raitu Bima, and 1 crore for crop insurance, totaling to rupees 13,044 crores. Sir, hence the Congress government has provided only an additional allocation of 2,763 crores for the existing schemes for farmers, excluding farm loan waivers. It looks like the farm loan waiver scheme will spill over the next year's budget, as the government has to make huge allocations to clear all the dues under farm waivers. And now talking about Mahalakshmi free bus, sir, the finance minister has pointed out that 68.60 crore travel were made on RTC buses by women under Mahalakshmi free bus ride scheme since 9 December 23, and saving of women on the score worked out to rupees 2,351 crores, sir. Sir, as per our information is that the Telangana Road Transport Corporation has been provided with rupees 1,740 crores towards free bus ride scheme for women so far, and rupees 611 crores are yet to be released, sir. Sir, इसके साथ ये भी वादा करे थे कि ऑटो वालों का ख्याल करेंगे। ऑटो वालों का ख्याल करना चाहिए, अब तक ख्याल नहीं हुआ। ठीक है, इलेक्शन के बाद इलेक्शन आया, वक्त देना है, हम वक्त दे रहे हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप ऑटो वालों का ख्याल करेंगे। Sir, when I'm going to speak on the demands on transport, I will go into the details, sir. Sir, मगर ये बोलता हुआ आगे बढ़ जाऊंगा कि बहुत सारी पुराने बसें, वो पुरानी बसों का फेट क्या होगा? नई बसेस लेंगे? Sir, in the common man's language, sir, every day 30.62 lakh women availed free bus ride, and RTC had to forego ticket revenues of rupees 10.50 crore per day, sir. As per this data, the RTC needs to be provided with reimbursement of rupees 3,832.50 crore for a full financial year, but the budget of 24-25 and marks only rupees 3,082.50 crores for the scheme, excluding the allocation under SC, ST, SDF, sir. However, there are variations about beneficiaries, sir. 68.60 crore travelers on the scheme as per the budget speech, sir, and 62.13 crore women passenger as per social economic survey. तो सर मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं सर, बार बार ये फिगर्स के आस्ते बोलिए साहब, प्लीज सर। मिनिस्टर साहब बजट स्पीच में एक फिगर बोलते, सोशो इकोनॉमिक एक फिगर बोलता, सीएजी एक फिगर बोलता, फिर कोई प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करे तो कुछ और फिगर बोलते। अब आप अदानी का ही ले लीजिए, ओल्ड सिटी को अदानी को दे रहे बोले, दिल्ली में बोले, सीएम साहब बोले, फिर यहां पे मिनिस्टर साहब बोले नहीं ऐसा कोई नहीं बोले, कोई नहीं करने वाले हैं। फिर आप देखिए दावोस में 40,000 का लेके आए, यहां पे इसमें आता ही नहीं। तो ये चीजें हैं सर, वी नीड टू करेक्ट दिस सर। सर अबाउट the LPG cylinder supply, sir, and the Mahalakshmi scheme for providing LPG cylinders at rupees 500 launched at 27 February 24. The finance minister Saab had said that the 9,57,637 families avail the scheme. So far, the government spent rupees 200 crores on the scheme. Our information is that 14.57 lakhs families are availing the scheme, entailing an expenditure of rupees 72.89 crores on state exchequer, and this figure is as per sir social economic survey of 2024. You can see it on the page number 105 if I am wrong. फिर देखिए साहब गलत बोलते हैं, स्पीच में एक बात बोलते हैं, सोशल इकोनॉमिक आपका सर्वे एक बात कहता है। The budgetary allocation for LPG cylinder subsidy scheme is rupees 723 crore excluding the allocation in the SC, ST, SDF, whereas the estimate is that more funds will be required for the existing number of beneficiaries. Here too, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, here too there are variation between the figures cited in budget speech. Budget speech में ये कह रहे हैं 39.57 lakhs beneficiaries. Social economic survey says 54.75 lakh beneficiaries. And 58.3 lakh beneficiaries as per page number 91 and 106. Sir, you have to come for the rescue, sir. You have to issue instructions and strict orders if again wrong figures are tabled in this house and action will be initiated. Sir, ये देखिए मैं मिनिस्टर साहब को नहीं बोलूंगा सर, मिनिस्टर साहब को जो डिटेल्स ब्यूरोक्रेट्स जो ऑफिस देता है वो बेचारे वो पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन ये जो देने वाले हैं उनको तो कम से कम पढ़ना चाहिए सर. Who's preparing this, sir? Who's preparing this? Why are the figures not matching, sir? This is the responsible place where we enact a law, where we approve a budget for the state, where we take decisions. This house, the sanctity of this house इतनी ज्यादा है और इसकी आज हम इसके मुकाम की इज्जत को पामाल कर रहे हैं. मैं कहूंगा सर कि इट इज वेरी बैड सर. इतने बार मैं बार बार कहता हूं कि फिगर्स फिगर्स फिगर्स. आई डोंट नो हु आर द पीपल रेस्पॉन्सिबल सर. सर योर ऑफिस शुड लुक इनटू दिस डिमांड ऑफ माइन सर. सर द बजटरी एलोकेशन फॉर इंदिरम्मा इंदुलू स्कीम एज पर द बजट book on housing demand number 18 and rupees 2,336 crores excluding the allocation in the SC, ST, SDA, but the amount required would be 10 times more than rupees 23,360 crores, sir. If the allocations are pegged at the current rate, only 1/10 of the sanctioned houses in a year will be constructed, sir. We may point out that the Congress government is committed to provide assistance of 25 lakhs under Indiramma Indulu scheme, and we don't know how many years it will take to achieve the target, sir. Sir, I am reminded the Honorable Chief Minister, Janab Revant Reddy Saab, met Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 4th July and requested him to sanction 2.5 million houses under PMAY, and even stated that the state was preparing to align its guideline with those of PMAY. In the budget for the housing and allocation of 4,644 crores is made for PMAY as centrally sponsored scheme, sir. जब हम बोल रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हमको दे रही नहीं है, तो फिर ये डालना क्या मायने रखता है, sir? What is the sense behind this? So there is a need to clarify on the housing scheme in the state, including the fate of 2 BHK housing schemes of the earlier government, sir. Sir, before the assembly election, sir, 2 bedroom के allottees को उनका इंक्वायरी हुई, देखे करे, अलॉटमेंट हुआ, चाबी दे दिए, सब दे दिए. उसके बाद वो पोजेशन भी लेने गया, उसको निकाल दिए, रोक दिए. What is the fate of that, sir? Sir, I'll give you an example in my constituency, sir. They were MCH quarters. एक क्वार्टर बड़े बड़े घर थे सर, डिलैपिलेटेड कंडीशन में थे. सर आई वेंट एंड आई स्पोक टू देम. उनको समझाया, उनको बताया कि देखो भाई आपका एक घर, ये 4 घर 10 घर में एक बड़ी बिल्डिंग आती है. सर आई इवेक्टेड सम 200 हाउसेस सर, बिग हाउसेस, एंड 2 bedroom हाउसिंग वाज कंस्ट्रक्टेड सर. सर ये 2 bedroom के houses construct kare on the assurance given by me and a patta certificate, possession certificate, everything was given to those possession holders of the MCH quarters on my assurance and on my promise and the patta certificate issued by the collector. They evicted, they gave their position, 2-bedroom housing building was constructed, the beneficiary was selected, inquired, और आज उनको जब देने की बात आ रही है तो नहीं दे रहे हैं. Sir, is this right, sir? Sir, anybody is there, the government is there. Any representative who takes a decision, a representative will be there. The government today is one A, tomorrow it will be B. A public representative is today is A, tomorrow it can be B. But that doesn't mean a promise made by the government and a promise made by the public representative will not be fulfilled. Sir, it is so sad, sir. Hum khali karaye. I cannot go in that area, sir. Whenever I go there, the women are coming. Literally, sir. वो लोग आके घेर ले रहे हैं, रो रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि अकबर साहब आप बोले थे और आपकी जबान पे हमने खाली किया, बिल्डिंग बनी, आज हमको नहीं दे रहे हैं. क्यों नहीं दे रहे हैं सर? ठीक है, आप बेनिफिशियरीज को सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए, इंक्वायरी करा लीजिए, पुलिस से करा लीजिए, जो भी करना है फिर से करा लीजिए. आप दे तो दीजिए अल्लाह के वास्ते उनको. जंगमेट में, बल्लागोड़ा में, कई जगह पर. दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग सर. सर, गोइंग फर्दर एड सर, sorry sir, I am not well sir, unwell, but still I had to participate in this budget speech, so I had come sir. Sir, we believe that the beneficiaries do not change with every change of the government, so once again I request through you to the government sir, kindly allot those beneficiaries who were selected after the due process of the authorities and the collector Hyderabad of selecting the beneficiaries, kindly allot them sir. Sir, we welcome the announcement of Finance Minister Saab that the Telangana Artificial Intelligence Summit within them making AI work for everyone will be held in Hyderabad on 5th and 6th of September 2024 and attended by 2,000 experts from all over the world, sir. Truly, this will help Telangana progress in AI sector and we hope that the wider use of AI enabled in government services and administration will improve their functioning and efficiency also, sir. Sir, there is also, sir, important, sir, there is also a need to train the government employee in the use of artificial intelligence so that they can easily adapt to technology of the future. And I'm sure, sir, अगर AI technology implement हो जाएगी ना साहब, तो मिनिस्टर साहब के स्पीच का फिगर भी वही रहेगा, CAG का फिगर भी वही रहेगा, economic survey का फिगर भी वही रहेगा. But we have to train, sir. Sir, for this, necessary budgetary allocations have to be made for the deployment of AI in the state administration in the coming years, sir. I may say that the Finance Minister Saab could have avoided the discrepancy in data, figures and statistics in the speech, budget documents and social economic survey if AI was effectively used, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, about Mission Bhagirath, sir, a survey has been taken, sir, and I would like to just skip this, sir, and I will speak, sir. But just 1-2 sentences, sir. Rupees 2,500 financial assistance scheme for women under Mahalakshmi, sir. So lakhs of women have voted enthusiastically for the Congress party in the assembly election and also in the subsequent Lok Sabha elections in the state as they were enthusiastic by the Congress guarantee by providing financial assistance of 2,500 under Mahalakshmi, sir. लेकिन वो गरीब औरतों को अब तक नहीं मिला है. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर के हुकूमत इस पर भी गौर करेगी, सर. However, for all these schemes for women, the budgetary allocation under rural development demand is only 987 crores for DWACRA, zero interest loan, loan bima, SHG, accident bima, NSHG and Telangana Mahila Shakti scheme excluding the allocation SC/ST, SDF as per the budgetary documents, sir. Sir, coming now to the development of Hyderabad, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, we welcome the initiative being planned by the Congress government for developing Hyderabad into a global city, sir. The Finance Minister Saab has announced a budgetary allocation of a total of 10,000 crores for development of Hyderabad. In this year, budget includes 3,065 crores for GHMC, rupees 3,385 crores for Hyderabad Metro Waterworks, rupees 1,500 crores for Musi Riverfront Development, rupees 1,100 crores for Metro Rail, rupees 200 crores for each Hydra and Outer Ring Road, and rupees 50 crores for MMTS. So the Musi Riverfront Development Project aims to improve 110 kilometers of urban area by taking up infrastructure works such as recreation ones, people plaza, children theme park, entertainment zones, bridges, STPs, and along the Musi on the lines of Thames River project in London, sir. The Chief Minister Hemant Reddy Saab has laid the foundation stone for the metro line in the old city and extension of Shamsabad Airport, sir. So, Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I need an answer, sir. So the answer is, sir, in the year 2021-22, 800 crores were allocated for Hyderabad Metro. 2022 and 23, 500 crores were allocated. 23-24, sir, 2,427.35 was allocated. 24-25, 1,100 was allocated. Out of that, 500 was allocated for Old City. Sir, in all these years, allocations were made, but not a single paisa was released. हाँ, ये अलग बात है कि L&T के losses के लिए पैसा दिया गया था. Sir, they released the amount for the losses of L&T, sir, but the amount was never released for the Old City, sir. Sir, now also, sir, 24-25, 1,100, in this 500 is for Old City, sir, 100 for airport, sir, फिर वो survey 100 HMR के लिए दिए. Sir, now my question, sir. Sir, everybody, we had a foundation stone ceremony, sir. Honorable CM Saab had laid the foundation. I thank him very much for laying of the foundation, sir. It is a welcome move. But the question which needs to be answered is, who is going to execute the work? Who has been allotted with the work? Who has been asked to complete the work? Who has been asked to collect the ticket amount after laying of that corridor? Who's going to maintain that line? None? No? My friends from Congress were upset and angry also. Mr. Akbar, you never attended the Old City Foundation Stone. Yes, I say now. I say now. I didn't attend. The reason behind is that there was no agency which was given the contract to execute this work. This is how you lay the foundations? Without a tender being called, without a contract being given, without an agency has been given the responsibility of the work, you have to just lay the foundations? Is this justice? क्या ये इंसाफ है? क्या ये इंसाफ है पुराने शहर के साथ? फाउंडेशन स्टोन रख दिए, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का आता है ना पता है. L&T says whatever amount was given to me was approved for the corridors. I have already spent that amount. I do not have the amount. I am not going to execute the Old City corridor. So the question arises, who is going to execute the Old City corridor? Why has the foundation been laid? Why has it been laid? कब तक हमको बेवकूफ बनाया जाएगा? सर, ये सही नहीं है. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि this will be corrected and immediately Old City Metro corridor work is going to start. Sir, it is very sad, sir. Sir, I welcome, sir. We understand that the Hyderabad Metro Trail has declined to fulfill the obligation of laying the Old City line for corridor from Imliman to Falaknuma, sir. But at the same time, sir, we welcome that Honorable Chief Minister Saab had said that Chandran Gutta will be made a hub and airport se aa raha hai, sab aa raha hai. BRS ne bhi hamare saath nainsafi ki. हमारे साथ इंसाफ नहीं किया. बार बार बोलते रहे कि पुराने शहर में मेट्रो हां ला लेंगे, रेल के छुक छुक चलेगी. केटीआर साहब ने असेंबली में कहा था यहीं से, हां अकबर साहब, छुक छुक चलेगी. आपके पास ना छुक छुक है ना कुछ है, कुछ भी नहीं है, नहीं चल रही है सर. पूरे शहर में चल रही. सर, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, I want to come on this record and say this, sir. If I am wrong, sir, I would say that I may be suspended from this house, sir. When did the metro came? How did the metro came to Hyderabad? Sir, it was me, sir. I stood and I argued and I debated and I fought for metro, sir. Sir, I remember the late legislator, Mr. Janardhan Reddy Saab, Khairtabad MLA. He used to stand and he used to say, "Nahi Akbar Saab, metro nahi, mono hona." So I and Janardhan Reddy used to fight. Mono metro, mono metro. I remember Rashekar Reddy Saab, he stood up and he said, "Akbar will do one thing, we'll go to Delhi, we'll see the metro. You are saying the metro is very good? Yes, we'll do it." Satyam tha साहब, सत्यम, सत्यम को दिया गया था माइटास, उल्टा सत्यम का माइटास, फिर वो सत्यम डूब गया, माइटास से चला गया. Rashekar Reddy Saab, we with the delegation went to Delhi, sir. We saw the metro और उसके बाद में मेट्रो हैदराबाद को आया. मेट्रो को जो लाया उसके एरिया में छुक छुक नहीं है, मेट्रो नहीं है, पूरे शहर में फिर रही है. इससे बड़ी नाइंसाफी और क्या होना है सर? ठीक है, हमको नहीं दिए ना, हम पैदल चलते थे, पैदल चलने में ही खुश है. हम साइकिल पे थे, साइकिल में ही खुश है. हम रक्शे में थे, हम रक्शे में ही खुश है. मगर पुराने शहर के लोग मुंतजिर हैं, समझ रहे हैं कि आप लाएंगे मेट्रो. प्लीज मेट्रो को लाइए सर. सर, रीजनल रिंग रोड सर has a component of 158.6 kilometer northern road and 189 southern kilometer road, which makes almost 350 kilometers ring road, sir. Sir, ये ring road के बारे में भी पूरा northern part will cost 13,522 crores and southern part will cost 12,980 crores and the total outlay of works is 26,002, sir. Sir, about this going further ahead, sir, मैं हैदराबाद के ताल्लुक से ये भी बोलूंगा सर कि हैदराबाद में CPP, sir, when Mr. Suresh Reddy was the speaker, sir, I still remember, I said, "Suresh Reddy Saab, I was in my 20s. Then I said, I am in my, almost in my 40s. इतने साल से बोल रहा हूं, सर, चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन का प्रोजेक्ट, चारमीनार." तो ही सेड, "अकबर साहब, खुशखबरी है, अब चारमीनार बदलेगा, पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन प्रोजेक्ट होगा." 10 साल हथेली में जन्नत दिखाते रहे BRS, आ जाएगा. चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन प्रोजेक्ट नहीं हुआ सर. उस वक्त राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब, किरण कुमार रेड्डी साहब, रोशैया साहब, सब साहब बोले सर, "नो अकबर, यंग मैन." आई रिमेंबर रोशैया साहब टेलिंग मी, "यंग मैन, डोंट वरी, यंग मैन, डोंट वरी. Charminar pedestrianization will be completed. I am assuring you, young man." I said, "Sir, I respect you, sir." Sir, तो अभी भी सर बजट में चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा गया. मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन को कंप्लीट करिए. सर, इट इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल आर्किटेक्चरल, designs are there, sir. Sir, I have visited various cities in the world, sir. Various cities, sir. Sir, I have been to Milan, sir. The fashion street of Milan resembles the same architecture of Pathargatti, sir. Why can't we restore our heritage and protect the heritage, sir? What is wrong in that, sir? Sir, I had proposed a tramp also, sir. I spoken to a France company. They came, they met Mr. KTR Saab also when he was a Minister for Municipal Administration, to run a tramp from Naya Pul to Charminar, in the median which is there in Charminar. People think we do not want the whole city to have development. No, we want the whole city to develop, sir. But it is so unfortunate that let be any government, they do not want to improve the living standards of the people of old city. They do not want to improve, but at the same time, they call us. हमको चोर बोलते हैं. लाइट की चोरी हो रही है, अदानी को देंगे. अरे हम चोर नहीं है ना, चोरी होती है पुराने शहर में, हम नहीं करते. सिर्फ इल्जाम लगाया जाता है. चोरी कहां नहीं है सर, चोरी कहां नहीं है. लीकेजेस है, पिल्फरेजेस है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से लेके एक कंज्यूमर को आए जब तक कई जगह पे. सर, आई हैव ऑल द डिटेल्स. I have all the details, sir. I'll have a debate in the demand on power, sir. But saying that कि नहीं, एक पायलट बेसिस पे दिया जाएगा सिर्फ ओल्ड सिटी को. क्यों ओल्ड सिटी को? क्यों कोडंगल को नहीं दिया जाएगा? क्यों उत्तम कुमार रेड्डी साहब के एरिया को नहीं दिया जाएगा? क्यों श्रीधर बाबी के एरिया को पायलट प्रोग्राम की तरह नहीं दिया जाएगा? क्यों नहीं? ओल्ड सिटी नहीं, इनको चुबाते रहना नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होगा। अरे आप तरक्की लाइए, खुशहाली लाइए, चार मीनार पेस्ट्रेशन लाइए, आप लाल बाजार का फसाद का डेवलपमेंट का जो काम है वो लाइए, चार मीनार के दवाखाने को जो डिलैपिलेटेड कंडीशन में वो लेकर आइए, मक्का मस्जिद और बागयाम की मस्जिद के इमामों को उनकी नौकरियों को रेगुलराइज कराइए, वो लाइए। अरे आप ये काम करिए, रोड वाइडनिंग करिए। सर, देयर आर मेनी इश्यूज, सर, देयर आर मेनी इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यू व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग अबाउट जीएचएमसी, सर। The major problem the residents of Hyderabad are facing as of now is a traffic jam, sir. What is the speed, sir? What is the speed a vehicle is moving, sir? What are the kilometers that we are covering in an hour, sir? Alternate roads. Sir, these people, they developed only Gachibowli and that area. They never developed Old City, sir. पूरा हजारों रुपया वहीं डाले। सर, एसएनडीपी, एसआरडीपी, सर, इसमें भी नाला डेवलपमेंट आया था, हमने फ्लाईओवर्स का दिया। मेरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में हाफिज बाबा नगर में बल्लागुड़े में फ्लाईओवर, जब दियो बोलते केटीआर साहब बोलते थे, अकबर भाई दे देंगे आपको, दे दिए, जियो हो गया भैया काम, बोले नेक्स्ट उसमें ले लेंगे। होते होते साहब अब मैं बूढ़ा होने आ गया, साहब व्हाइट बाल हो रहे हैं। सर अब सर एटलीस्ट सर आई एक्सपेक्ट दैट Revant Reddy Saab, who's a very good friend of mine. Yes, I want to come on record. Yes, I want to come on record. Yes. He's a very good friend of mine. Not now. Not now. It goes back to some 35, 40 years back. We are very good friends. Yes, we are very good friends. And my friendship will be there with him. Personal level, but at the same time, as the leader of MIM and he being the leader of the house, I am going to do my responsibility, and I am sure he will also do his responsibilities. By hearing to me, by listening to me, by accepting the criticism and trying to do the work which has not been done from so many long years. Yes, sir. I hope that, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, about दलित बंधु के चेक्स दिए हैं, सर, मैं हुकूमत से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा दलित बंधु का दीजिए, सर। सर, ट्राइबल वेलफेयर, सर, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर, सर, आई वांट टू ब्रिंग टू द काइंड नोटिस ऑफ ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. My learned friend Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy Saab is also there. Sir, I'll just read out one thing and then I'll say that, sir. Sir, the Dalit Bandhu scheme was virtually put on hold after Congress government came to power. Sir, lakhs of applications were there. It was stopped. In 23-24 financial year, BRS government has allotted 17,700 crores for Dalit Bandhu as against the previous year expenditure of rupees 2,000 crores. However, not a single rupee was given for this, sir. Sir, ये इसके बारे में हो गया, सर. ट्राइबल वेलफेयर, SC, ST, SDF, sir. So the state budget 24-25, Bhatti Saab has allocated 33,124 crores for SC, SDF and 17,056 crores for ST, SDF, totaling rupees 50,180 crores, which is really a massive amount. Which is really. Yes, sir. Sir, we hope and trust the government will sincerely and effectively spend all the allocated funds under SC, ST, SDF, since there was huge shortfall in the expenditure on both SDF in 23-24 financial year. The SC, SDF allocation was 36,750 crores, but the actual expenditure was only rupees 14,649 crores, 23-24. The ST, SDF allocation was rupees 50,233 crores, and the actual expenditure was only 10,399 crores, and 23-24, sir. The total allocation under SC, ST, SDF for the year 23-24 was 51,983 crores, but the expenditure was only 25,048 crores, sir. So this is the real allocation. I don't know whether the government is aware. Sir, with your kind permission, sir, I may be given a permission just to show this one thing, sir. Sir, here, national channels from last 2 days, they are running a scroll and having a debate saying that SC, ST's allocations have been reduced and minorities have been given 3,000. They were carrying the figures which were given by INPR from your department, sir. Isme, they gave wrong figures. From your department, they gave wrong figures. And not one challenge, sir. Even Doordarshan carried this stating that कि SC, STs के पैसों को कम करके मुसलमानों को दे दिया गया. And no clarification was issued from the government side. So you see, sir, what is written here? Meme, Bheem, empty slogan. Minorities first, not SC, STs. 33 crore allocation for Ramzan celebration. You see, sir, we have to have a department which would immediately give a clarification to these newspapers and say that no, the actual allocation is this. We haven't reduced the allocation for SC, STs. In fact, we have increased the allocation. It's wrong what they are saying. But it wasn't said, sir. आप देखिए सर, ये कितनी खराब बात है. Not one channel, sir, 7-8 channels, debate, सब हो रहे हैं. Doordarshan also said. So INPR department, this is why I say, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, this is why I say there should be a check on the bureaucrats and the concerned department. They should be held responsible for the figures which they are giving to the minister and which minister is spelling out in this house and which is getting printed. कैसा बताइए आप? कोई नहीं है उसके बारे में बोलने वाला. I hope that this has been taken a note, a serious issue, and INPR department issues a clarification in this and corrects this and says that this government treats SC, ST, BCs, Muslims, Christians, Sikh, Isai, Parsi, everyone treats equally.